Ram had to pay $52,000 to Victor because his 2024 Ram 1500 couldn't even fill up with gas without the pump clicking off. The trim was falling off the doors, and the engine light kept coming on because the line wasn't even plugged in from the factory. With our help, he got $52,000 and kept his car. And here's exactly how we did it and how you could also get the same results. The Ram 1500 is the truck that brought luxury to the job site: leather, a 12-inch touchscreen, and a 5.7-liter Hemi under the hood. Victor bought his 2024 Ram 1500 Laramie brand new in California. He put $23,000 down, and the total price came to over $85,000. At that price, you expect perfection down to the last bolt. But his Ram couldn't even get the basics right. It started with a weather strip on the rear door coming loose. Then it got worse. Victor couldn't fill up his truck with gas. Every time he put the nozzle in, it clicked off like the tank was full when it was empty. The dealer found the inlet valve wasn't working, causing back pressure that tricked the pump into thinking the tank was full. They had to replace the entire fuel tank assembly on an $85,000 truck. The repair order said, removed and replaced fuel tank assembly. Verified issue with filling up vehicle no longer present. Operating as intended at this time. Let us translate that for you. They replaced the entire fuel tank on a brand new truck with under 7,000 miles. Let that sink in. And operating as intended at this time after replacing a fuel tank is not reassuring. It raises a question. If the fuel system needed a full replacement this early, what else wasn't built right? It turns out, a lot. A month later, the check engine light came on. The dealer found a large evap system leak. The cause? A purge line that wasn't even fully plugged into the canister. This wasn't wear and tear. This wasn't bad luck. This was an $85,000 2024 Ram that wasn't put together right before it left the assembly line. Meanwhile, Victor put $23,000 down on his truck. That's not a casual purchase. That's a commitment. And every time the dealer said operating as intended, that commitment felt more like a trap. You don't put $23,000 down and $800 a month into a truck you can't trust to fill up at a gas station. Here's something that matters if you've ever been told a defect is just normal or that the dealer fixed it and you should move on. Under California's lemon law, verbal promises from the dealer or the salesperson don't override your warranty. Operating as intended on a repair order doesn't mean the problem is gone. We fixed it doesn't mean you've lost your right to file a claim. What matters is the paper trail. Every repair order, every documented complaint, every visit. The dealer's words don't change what's written on those documents. Victor's 2024 Ram had operating as intended written on every single visit. None of it mattered when the repair history told a different story. When Victor reached out to us, we reviewed his repair records, built his lemon law case, and helped him file a claim against Ram. The result? A cash settlement of $52,000. And he got to keep his Ram without it being deemed a lemon or the remaining warranty being voided. The best part is he didn't pay anything out of pocket. All he gave us in return was a 5-star review. Under California Civil Code Section 1794D, the manufacturer, not you, must pay for your attorney fees. That's how we have helped thousands of California drivers, just like you, get their money back without paying a penny. If you think your car is a lemon, give us a call right now or tap the link in our bio to use our free compensation calculator and find out how much money we could get for you in just a few seconds.